at Khao Yai.
เขาย่ายเขาย่าย
Khao Yai, Khao Yai. Don't know what that means, but
Khao Yai is the name of the
forest.
place we are right now.
I know what that means. I mean,
Khao Yai it's just a song หันคือเขาใหญ่ทิ้งไพรพนา
shit, you're gonna burn your throat, girl. She's like,
ทินสัสสาราเดินล่องลอยมีเสรี
Suzuki Carry.
เขาย่ายเขาย่าย
See, she got them cookies. They're good.
คนที่อยู่นี่
คนเยอะมากมันแย่งเลยอ่ะ
เราไม่มีคาแคมเหมือนเขาไม่มีรถตู้ไงเราก็ทำเป็นรายการด็อกเตอร์นะมา
นั่งกันมา3 คนเลยไม่ถามไม่หรอก
นี่มาจากไหน
ปาเก็ตใช่
ผมมานู่นเลยนะบุรี
ผมลงหัวหินเลยนะเนี่ยมาใต้เลยจากใต้เลย
มาจากหัวหินนะดีมาลูกชายเป็นทหารที่นี่ทางที่บ้าน
ไปหัวหินมาอาทิตย์ที่แล้ว2 อาทิตย์เที่ยวหัวหินหัวหินไปที่ไหนก็เหมือนกันไปค่ะแล้วก็ไปประจวบไปสามพระยาไป have sandwich
รอมาส่ง
เข้าใจหรือเปล่าขยะน่ะเก็บอาหารลงในกล่องนั้นเก็บออกจากกระเป๋านั้นเก็บออกจากกระเป๋านั้นแล้วก็ลงในนั้น ตะวัน
I mean, what is the chip? What is it? Corn? What?
It's rice
Oh, right.
crispy rice ชิม flavor
What about,
crispy raw flavor
That tastes like shrimp.
flavor
you know me, I wouldn't be eating it if it's shrimp.
but it's good
Yeah.
yeah because you don't know
Sorry, I didn't get back to the video very much because we were setting up and then people were coming up and talking to us and all that. But we're about ready to have dinner, and yeah, it's kind of chilly here. I ain't gonna lie, huh? How's everybody feel?
cold
Cold? They're not used to it. I feel great. It feels great. But we're all set up. We're gonna have some mugatha. We're gonna have some pack of pao kai dao, and what else? Alana?
I have some ข้าวผัด
Cow pot. So we're gonna sit down and eat. Have some. We ordered this for lunch earlier,
ใช่แบบก็ไม่เข้าใจ
and we just got it to go to have it for dinner. So
มันก็เข้าใจ
tomorrow I'll show you more around when it gets more daylight. So, but welcome and thank you for watching.
เอาส้มมา
King, say hi, King, because you know.
Hello
No, say hello with hello.
Hello สวัสดีค่ะเอาส้มอะไรนะ
But we're gonna sleep great tonight. We get a new mattress, new setup, and yeah, hopefully it turns out good. Huh, babe?
Yes it's gonna be great
Yes.
it's already great
Yeah,
so
we got
far
2 song tent. We got one in the back, one here, and then we're gonna sleep in the truck. So we're all getting ready to go to bed here shortly. Pang's organizing the tent right now as we speak. It's a bit windy, so I hope you guys can hear me okay. My microphone has died and it's charging right now. So, anywho, yeah, it's gonna be a little chilly tonight. It's around 60 degrees, which is not really that cold, but when it's windy like it is here, it's pretty chilly. So, but it's only 7:30. We're gonna hit the hay here pretty soon because we've been up since 5 o'clock this morning. At least I have, anyway. Getting all this stuff ready. So, Pang got up as well. But I'll show you more of our campsite tomorrow and the setup. And I apologize if we didn't have much daylight by the time we got here. And I kind of I don't know, attracted a crowd here today and had a lot of people talking and looking at my truck. So, but I'll talk more about that tomorrow. You guys have a wonderful night, and we'll see you in the morning. Huh, babe?
yes good night
Illinois.
ไม่ค่อยหลับตั้ง
Ready?
กินเยอะ
Ready?
ลืมปิดถังน้ำลืมล็อกถังน้ำแข็ง
They lift up. Yeah, he's got his coffee mug. He's bringing. I told him we hit coffee cups. Is that coffee or what is it?
coffee
There he is. You have no come too? No? She drink coffee?
ชีนัทกาแฟ
No. I got you eating up.
เสร็จลิงซะแล้ว
Yeah.
I saw that bug huh
Good morning. What, babe?
ใส่นมข้น แต่ดำใส่นมข้นด้วยจะต้องเป็นของเวียดนาม
โบก่อนก็กินกาแฟใส่นมแสนตาลเนี่ย
Grilled cheese for breakfast.
ได้ถ้าเป็นถ้าเป็น
ช้อนชิมเหรอมันก็ใช้เนี่ยชิม
ผมว่าใช้ได้นะที่นี่ใช้ได้อยู่บางฝั่งเขาผัดซีอิ๊วใช้ได้ใช่เนี่ยผมสั่งมาเนี่ยสั่งมาเย็นผัดซีอิ๊วขึ้นมาใช้ได้
ค่ะ
ใช้ได้เหมือนกันนะ
ตอนแรกซื้อมามันห่างๆทีนี้ก็เลยซื้อใหม่
ได้แบบนี้มา
อ๋ออันนี้เหรอ
เจนั้นเนี่ย
กลัวเดินชนอ๋อหมายถึงตัวนี้เหรอค่ะแบบปรับระดับ
กลายเป็นสวยว่ะปีมูนี่นะ
ค่ะ
จีนนี่นะ
ใช่
โอ้ทำดีเว้ย
Is that too high hon
I might fix it. I'm just gonna get it first.
โอ้โหแจ๋วเลยคราวนี้ คุมโทนอย่างดีเลย คุมโทน
ฝรั่งอยู่ทางนู้น
ครับผม
Oh, there he is. Sweaty cop. Somebody might. Oh, sweaty cop. There you are. You see it?
Yeah I like to see you car
ขอบคุณค่ะ
อ๋อนี่ฮะคันนี้อ๋อใช้ตัวนี้
โอ้พูดไอเดียนะ
Couple cops. Thank you.
easy
ดูสิ
yeah I said hot and
อ๋อที่ว่าเอาใช้วางข้างหลังเนี้ย
that beautiful
Beautiful.
yeah
Cop.
อะไรลูกนะ
Carry.
ไม่รู้มันไปทางไหนก็เพื่อนเดี๋ยวนี้มีแบบท่าทางได้
ไม่ดี
อ้าว
ต้องหาร้านที่
โอ้โหสวัสดีครับ
มันเย้าเยือนใช่ไหมเนี่ยมัน
ผมมาหา
เชียร์ง่าย
มาหาเพื่อน
Jason.
เจสัน
ใช่
เจสัน
Jason.
วันเจสันมาเช้าเจสันไปเยือนใช่ไหม
ไม่ใช่ใช่ทีมเย้าทีมเยือน
Jason.
โบน
Okay. You need if you need again, let me know.
อ๋อ
You need again, let me know.
ครับ
So here. Okay.
คุณเจสัน
Jason
ยูทูบเบอร์ไหม
ใช่
ยูทูบเบอร์
ใช่
อ๋อ I think I look คุณ
Yeah.
คุณเจสัน
My
travel
yeah.
travel
Travel. Yeah. Traveling Tiv.
อ่า
Yeah. Yeah. YouTube.
name ยูทูบเบอร์
Traveling Tiv.
traveling
Yep. Tiv. TIV. It's on my truck. YouTube.
อ๋อ
You can scan. You scan a
เนี่ย
car.
สแกนนะ
Yeah.
Where you put my stuff?
So it's Pang and I and King's first full day here at camp. We're getting ready to eat. Well, I am. She's gonna make me some mama noodle, and I'm having some peanuts right now. But we don't really have much to eat, so just gonna make some mama noodles and get ready. It's getting dark and cold, so we're just gonna hang out, enjoying the camping life. Yeah, Monterey. Yeah, Monterey. Okay. Yeah, Monterey.
Yes.
Oh, Monterey. I said his last name right too, babe.
What?
Karate.
โฮมเนี่ยคุณเจสันนะ
Yeah.
ใช่
แบ
อ๋อ
งคอก
อ๋อ my pocket.
รามคำแหง
รามคำแหง
Oh, really?
He was
Yeah.
from รามคำแหง
Oh,
รามคำแหง
oh. Yeah, his last name Karate.
and I was born at ปัตตานี
โอ้
น้ำท่วม
Namtum.
เนี่ยหาดใหญ่
ปัตตานีก็ท่วมเหรอคะ
ท่วมครับ
Oh.
โอเคครับคุณเจสันนะครับนี่ยูทูบเบอร์โอเค
ขอบคุณครับ
โอเค
ค่ะ
But she's boiling some noodles right now, and what else is she doing? So crazy being here. It's my second night.
Yeah.
Second night here, first full day. But it's kind of surreal being here because we've been here many a times, but people are starting to recognize my truck, and not that it really matters. It's just that it's kind of funny, babe?
Yeah.
People are walking up and said they saw me on YouTube or something like that. So it's good to hear because a lot of times you do all this work, make the videos and drive around thousands of kilometers around Thailand, and you know, like I say, you don't expect everybody to see you or notice you, but it's kind of cool when somebody does, and out of the blue. And so it lets you know that your work is paying off. You know, I put a lot of work into this, and so hopefully, hopefully it'll be better. You guys have a wonderful night. I'm gonna still record and do other things, but like I said, we're gonna be here for 12 days, so I can't make this video too long. I'm just gonna pick out the most interesting things that come up. So we're supposed to go on a hike the next few days, so we're gonna do that. But there are a lot of people starting to arrive. They came late tonight. All these cars over there. See them all parked over there, babe?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Light up.
Yeah.
I just napped.
Yeah, she just woke up, so. As you could tell in the video, I made a video when you walked out, remember? All right, y'all enjoy. Good mama noodle. Thank you, babe. At Khao Yai.
Khao Yai.
Khao Yai. I don't know what that means, but
Khao Yai is the name of the
forest.
place we are right now.
I know what that means. I mean,
Khao Yai, it's just a song นั้น คือเขาใหญ่ทิ้งไพรพนา
Shit, you're gonna burn your throat, girl. She's like,
จินสัสสาราเดิมล่องลอยมีเสรี
Suzuki Carry.
เขาใหญ่เขาใหญ่
See, she got some cookies. They're good.
Nít nồi.
So, monkey ling.
Oh, Linh.
Coming. But 2 o'clock up. My sleep.
Oh,
my,
2 o'clock ไม่สลิปแล้ว
and then lap 4.
Oh, หลับโอ้ย
And then I got up at 6.
สิ
Yeah.
โอเคพอยเล็ต
Okay.
Walking to
golf club? Okay. Yeah.
ไม่ไป
No?
หนาว cool
Shy? Yeah.
Hi.
Basically, until really recently, the satellite service, but we certainly weren't able to measure longitude even until like the turn of the 18th century, like James Cook's second voyage discovery. We couldn't measure, like accurately figure out where we were on those east and west traverses, like accurately reflecting that.
บอกจะรู้หรือเปล่าถึงเรื่องราวที่ฉันนั้นแอบรักเธอเพียงพบครั้งแรกตัวฉันแอบจ้องมองเธอสวยจริงว่าน้องนี้พี่รักความเพียนไม่บอกเธอไม่รู้แน่อยากเข้าไปแค่หัวใจก็ยังถือชูแค่ผู้ชายโยกโลดแถมยังอดโซรักของพี่รักนี้แค่รักยอบยมอยากมีใครสักคนช่วยผ่อนคลายความเหงาความเศร้าที่ใจบนทางเดินกว้างไกลยังไม่มีใครหัวใจก็ยังพลือโชครับโอ้ขอบคุณคุณเจสัน
So I made this Thai style steamed potatoes, sour cream, cooked ham, a fried ham, 4 cheese, sour cream, salt and pepper. Good. Heat it up. Good.
ของหนูน่ากินมาก
It's good, huh?
It smells plastic.
Do you? I probably got the bowl a little bit. I'm making a potato for my friend over there. He don't know it yet. Come baby.
Yes.
It's better.
Be careful, it's plastic.
Plastic. I made this for you.
คุณเจสัน
I made,
ครับ
try it. Aloy.
มันฝรั่งมัน
It's
ฝรั่ง potato
potato.
Oh,
yeah.
good.
And ham,
แฮม
cheese, pepper,
Oh.
salt and pepper, and butter.
ครับ
อร่อย
อร่อย
โอเคขอบคุณค
Okay,
รับ
enjoy.
ได้ขอบคุณมากครับ
You're welcome. I'm gonna see your face when you eat it. Good? Do you mind?
โอ้โหชีส
Okay.
อร่อย
We just had a wonderful dinner. Steamed potatoes for everyone. Even made our neighbor one.
Yummy.
He really liked it. But everybody's cold. It's what time is it?
15 minutes to 7.
Yeah, it's not even 7 o'clock at night yet.
Bed soon.
It's been windy all day today, all day. And they said it's going to be kind of chilly tonight, so it's going to be a little bit colder than it was last night. So we might turn in a little bit early. This is our third night here, so I don't want to lose track of time when I'm doing these videos because I lose track easily. But we're going to have some chamomile tea and brush our teeth and then probably hop in the tent, get warm, and then go to bed. So we'll see you guys in the morning. Yeah. My
Good
face
night.
looks red.
My face too.
Maybe it's just the camera.
I know.
All right.
Good night.
Good night. All right. See y'all in the morning. Or sometime. We'll see y'all sometime tomorrow. I can't make a video every day because we're going to be here for 12 days. So I ain't got enough memory for all that. All right. Good night. Pang and I are hanging out. This is our what, 4th day?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm not making very many videos, but it's been a nice day. The wind finally died down, so it's not blowing a bit, but it's cool out. So I don't know what's worse, being cold or windy, or both. Both. So yeah, it was a rough night last night. It was very windy. Some trees fell down the back. Some of these really expensive RVs, their awnings collapsed. Mine stayed up. But not too much going on. It's Friday. People are coming in late, getting set up. It's probably going to be a crowded weekend. But we've been in the spot for 4 days now. It's going to be our 3rd night. Yeah, been getting up early. I've been getting up at 5 o'clock every morning. Yeah, go to bed early too. Yeah, I think I went to bed at what, 9 o'clock last night? Early for me. Usually it's around 12 or 2 or 3. So what do you guys, you have any comments about that, Miss Pang?
He go to bed in the morning every day.
Yeah, I go to bed in the morning every day. It's going to be getting dark soon. We only got like probably an hour, about an hour worth of sunlight left. Blue skies. It's pretty. It's been pretty here today. But we're just going to hang out, mess around, kill some time, and yeah.